Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about coupon days. This coupon days formula is used for in bond calculations, and it gives us the number of days in the coupon period that contains the settlement date also. So here is the syntax, and the four variables used are settlement, maturity, frequency and basis. Out of this, basis is optional because if you omit the basis then it will automatically take 0, which is 30 by 360, the US convention. In India we can also take actual by 365. So let's understand this formula by an example. So issue date of a bond is 1st of May 2021, settlement date is 14 June 2021, maturity of this bond is 1st of May 2025. Settlement date is the date when the investor has actually got the possession of the securities. So, and the maturity date is the final maturity of the bond. On this date, the company which has raised the money by issuing this fixed income security has to pay back the principal along with the accrued interest to the investor. We are assuming the tenor of the bond to be 4 years. Coupon is the 6%. Coupon rate is the interest payment on fixed income security. So this is the interest rate which is paid on this bond. Then frequency we have taken 2. The frequency is the frequency of payment of coupon. So if we are paying or the company which has issued the bond is paying only once in a year, then it is annual. So we have to put 1. For semi-annual it is 2. For quarterly it is 4. Basis, as we have discussed, we are taking actual by 365, the Indian convention. And Coupday BS I have already discussed in my previous video, so I'm not going to discuss it here. And then Coupdays. So let's try to work it out. Put equals to, select the formula, then put settlement date, put the maturity date, frequency 2, and basis is 3. So it gives me that 182.5 days are left for me to make the coupon payment. Now why it has come 182.5? Because it's a semi-annual, so 365 is there, so it has taken exactly half. If you go by actual by 360, then it will give exactly 180. So let's change the basis and it gives me 180. So I hope the Coupdays formula is clear to you. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you soon with another video.